This JMP demonstration shows how to fit nonlinear curves with JMP's Fit Curve platform. We're using the algae Maturelic data from the sample data library. We'll create a nonlinear model of the algae density as a function of days for each of our 4 treatment groups. We'll start by going to Analyze, Specialized Modeling, and Fit Curve. We'll place algae density into the Y response role, days into the X regressor role, and treatment into the group role. When we click OK, JMP displays a plot of the response versus the predictors for each treatment group. Under the red triangle, we have a collection of built-in nonlinear models that we can fit. We'll fit a 4-parameter logistic curve to the data for now, though in practice we might fit and compare multiple curves to find the best one. A separate 4-parameter logistic curve has been fit to each treatment group. Under the red triangle for our fitted models, we have a variety of further options. Let's say we wanted to use the models to perform an inverse prediction of how many days it takes to observe an algae density of 2. We'll select Custom Inverse Prediction and enter 2 as our single algae density value. JMP produces predicted values and confidence intervals for the number of days at which we observe an algae density of 2 in each treatment group. An analysis of means graph comparing these predictions across groups is produced as well.